3, 2, 1, go! And this is our first podcast about Mind Healer. Mind Healer has launched, and with you is Anastasia.
And Dmitry. And hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone, guys. So today we will speak about Mind Healer, answer some popular questions, and just tell you about what it is.
Yeah, really, Dmitry, please tell us, what is Mind Healer?
Well, Mind Healer is a very, very social project, which is for clients, people seeking help in psychological terms, in when they need experts in as such as psychologists and other experts, and for those experts, of course. So basically, it is a platform that connects these two.
Mm-hmm. So, but who really can use Mind Healer and what for?
Actually, anyone can use Mind Healer. Mind Healer can be described as a tool to onboard people on Ergo, because currently we have Ergo support, we have a Nautilus wallet, and it is a great tool to onboard people from real world into blockchain. Anyone can use Mind Healer. If we speak about people who are seeking guidance or help, all you need to do is to create an account, and you are free to use it.
Mm-hmm. So, but let's discuss it in detail. For example, how Mind Healer works for clients.
All right, sure. So if you want to get help from, for instance, from a therapist, for instance, you have a difficulty with your family and you want to resolve it, you have, uh, and you think, okay, I need some kind of guidance. Okay, maybe that's what I need. You go to Mind Healer, and you don't know anybody there. You don't know anybody who works there. You just need this help. So you create the account, the usual thing, and then you can select an option. So there are options on time. So you select the right time for you, and then you select whether you want an experienced person or just a very unexperienced person. So there are ranks, 10 ranks, and depending on the experience of the person, you will pay a different amount of money, and you get help from a random person on the time that you want and on the date that you want. Another option is that, for instance, you know that this expert who works on Mind Healer is the person I need. I know that that person is super competent. I want his time. And you book the time, because all experts can mark time which is free when they're ready to work. And a person seeking help just books the time, and on that time they have a call. All the calls are inside Mind Healer, so you don't have to go anywhere. It is all inside the same platform. And after your call is over, expert claims the reward, his money, and that's it.
Okay, but for example, if I'm in Manila or I'm in Argentina, can I find the specialist for me?
Sure, you can find a specialist for yourself. You just need to go through the experts that are presented on the website and select somebody who you think will be good
That's
for you.
cool. That's cool. And how does the Mind Healer works for specialists?
Sure. So actually, Mind Healer was tailored very much for specialists, because when they enter their professional account, they have lots of very useful things there, such as timetable, such as reputation, such as ability to have video calls, same as clients. So it's a very, very fine tool for experts, and hopefully in the future will make even better by making other features. We'll make a tour uh, inside the dashboard, so we'll see what expert account looks like, and it is designed to be very useful for experts. So that
Mhm. And what about security? I know that some people are afraid that someone knows about their problems. What about security? What about mm,
uh,
information,
yeah.
personal information?
Yeah, right. When you are making an account on mindhealer, currently we have a registration with Google, etc. So if you want maximum privacy, just create a new account. That would be best for you probably. If you know the expert, if you trust the expert, great. Just go to the expert that you know. If you don't know the expert, I mean, it's like in real life. mindhealer is just a platform. We will onboard people, and we will onboard the best people we know, but it's always subjective, because some people, it's just, you have this feeling sometimes, this person will be best for me, this person will not be that good. But in any case, we are doing our best so that all the data is kept private from on our side. Of course, there is also an expert side. So we will onboard only the best experts, and we'll have special mechanisms of rotation so that experts would be rewarded for good job. And if they don't do good job, then the ratings fail and they lose reputation and clients. So that is something that would be within the app.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Okay, but that's blockchain.
True.
So,
Yeah.
are there any ways to earn money if I'm not, for example, a specialist?
Yes, that's exactly what we have built. If you are an Ergo community supporter, but you don't really feel like asking for help for yourself, and you are not an expert, you still can promote Ergo community and earn some money for that. Just check out our partner program, where you can create a special link or a URL or QR code, sorry, and you can just share this link with your family, friends, anyone you like, and say, guys, please go check out this website. And if they go and they book a session, for instance, with some expert, with any expert, and they pay for it, and expert claims the money, 12% goes to you. So there is a two-layer partner program. Please read about it on the website. But as I said, mindhealer is designed to promote Ergo, so that people can earn money by spreading the word, so that people can earn by providing their services. And overall, I believe that it should be super helpful for the Ergo community.
I think so too. Okay, but should I install something to start working with mindhealer?
Yes, you will help to install Nautilus wallet. That is thing number one.
Mm-hmm.
We work with it. That's the only wallet that we support so far. And also, you have to create an account at mindhealer. Again, if you want maximum privacy, if you are in Ergo community, for instance, and you need help from some expert, just create an account and a new account, and nobody will know that it's you. We are doing this because for people who are not in Web3, it's really very difficult to understand how wallets work. And let's make onboarding simple. And hopefully in a few months, we will remove it and there will be only wallets. That is one of the things that we plan, but that would be for the in the future.
I also want to add that we are creating onboarding materials in several languages just for people who wants to understand how it works. I
Yeah,
mean, Nautilus and sigUSDs and Ergo and all of that stuff.
yeah, one more thing, guys. If you are from Ergo community, please give us a hand. Please, if you have somebody who works as therapist or as in some other helping profession, just tell them about mindhealer. Teach them about Ergo. Teach them about Nautilus. Teach them what is sigUSDs, how to use it, and just introduce mindhealer to them, because it's super beneficial for everybody. People will get more clients, experts will get more clients will get better help, and everybody will start using Ergo. If you are thinking about Ergo adoption, that's the tool.
Yeah, that's true. One more thing, which, for example, I'm happy about that we use sigUSD. That's a stable coin, and people can earn in like in dollars.
Yeah. I also think it's a very sound idea because lots of people who would come from Web 2, they don't know about tokens, they don't know about bull and bear markets, and when it's all very chaotic for them. So let's start little by little. Let's first show them what is sigUSDs, and as soon as they get the taste of it, they understand how easy it is and how simple it is. Sure, they'll enjoy that.
I think that's enough for today for our first podcast, or we would like to discuss something more.
I think we covered most of the project. I think if people have questions, guys, please, if you have questions, we would be so happy to answer because we didn't post much about this project. We were building very quietly. We didn't want to make a token just not to take this credit from the community, just to build first. And now when the project is ready, it would be super nice to become a little bit more social, to communicate. If you have something to ask, I would be super happy to answer. And again, mindhealer is a very, very social project. So let's build it. Let's promote Ergo. It should be great.
Let's improve it together.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's go.